Welcome back. Let's solve the next question from our SQL's 50 Leetcode series. Question number 176, second highest salary. Okay, so here's the question. We have this table called employee, where you have the ID, which is the primary key. So it's a column with unique values. And then you have the salary, which contains the salary information for each employee. So each of this table contains information about the salary of an employee. Okay, so here's the question. Write a solution to find the second highest distinct salary from the employees table. Okay, if there's no second highest salary, so here's the key. If there's no second highest salary, we are supposed to return null versus blank. And here's an example input and output. So here we just have three values here, 100, 200, 300. So obviously the second highest salary would be 200 here. But let's say if you only have one, so here the salary is only, you just have one row, so you'll return null because there's no second highest salary, there's just one salary. Okay, hope this makes sense. Okay, so we are going to come back to our SQL Server Management Studio. We have this table, employee. So we are trying to find the second highest salary, and then we are supposed to return nulls if there's no second highest salary. So there are different ways of doing it. So I'm going to be using the ranking function. So let's start writing our code here. So what I'm going to do here is first, I'm selecting from this table so we can see it side by side. So now I'm going to do select all from, I'm going to do a subquery. So here, let's just give it a name. So I'm calling it sub. So open and close parentheses, and then this is the name of the subquery. So I'm just selecting everything from it. So here what I want to select is, I want to select the ID, the salary from employee table. Okay, but here I also want to use this window function called the dense rank. So remember, we have different ranking functions. So we have the row number, we have the rank and dense rank, but we'll be using the dense rank instead of rank because if there's a tie, we just don't want to skip the rank. We want to get all the ranks here. So we are going to use the dense rank function here. So I'm going to do dense rank over, and here there's no need of partitioning because we don't care. We don't have to break it down by a different department or something. It just two columns here, and we are only concerned about salary. So we are only going to use the order by. There's no need to partition it or break it down further. So I'm just going to do over order by salary, and then since we need the second highest, I'm just going to do descending here. So I see like the highest, and then second highest, and then the third highest, and so on. And then let's just give it an alias. So I'm going to call it RK. Okay, let's run it now. Okay, so here now I'm seeing the same information here. So I have all of these IDs 1, 2, 3, but then here I have the ranking based on the salary. So ID 3 has the highest salary, so we are seeing 1 here, then 2 has the second highest salary, and then 3 has the third highest salary. Okay, so what I can do from here is I can simply put something like where RK equals 2, and then it's gonna give you the second highest salary. But there's a problem with it, because remember the second condition of this question is if there's no second highest salary, we are supposed to return null. But here, if there's only like one value here in this table, so let's say if you only have one here, there's not going to be an RK value 2 here because you only have one value. So it's not going to work if there's only one record in your table. So we can't just simply say where RK equals 2 here in the where clause. So what I can do instead is, in my select clause, I can just do a case statement. So I can say case when RK equals 2. So I'm saying when the RK value is 2, then we want to select the salary. Else, I'm just going to select null end. So this is the case statement. And let's say if there are two salaries that have the same number, let's say if you have 200, 200, and it's the second highest salary, we only want to return 1. So what I can do for that is I can just say max here. So if there's 200, 200, it's just going to give you one value for it. So this is going to take care of those multiple values or those duplicates. And then here, I'm just going to say max here. And then let's give it an alias. So I think it's the second highest. Okay, let's execute it now. Now here it's gonna give you the second highest salary, just that. And if it's gonna also take care of the scenario where you only have like one value in your table. So let's say, let me just delete from my employee table where ID is greater than 1. So in this scenario, I'll only have one value here. So if I select from my table now, there's only one value here. So now this is also going to work here, because if the RK value is not equal to 2, it's going to return null. So we are getting a null here, which satisfies our second criteria for the question. Whereas if we just did RK equals 2 here, so if we did something like this, let's say something like this, let me just comment this out. If I select all from here, and if I run this, it's not going to return anything, because there's no matching criteria for RK equals 2. That's why we use this max and case statement to take care of that. Okay, so let's execute it now. Okay, so it's giving you the second highest salary, and it's taking care of a null if there's only one row. So this should be our solution. So I'm gonna just copy it here. Okay, so I'm gonna come back to our Leetcode, and I'm gonna paste my solution. Let's just check the column name here. Okay, it's called the second highest salary, so I'm just gonna copy this. Okay, let's execute it now. Okay, ran successfully. If you found this helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and let me know if you guys have any questions. Thank you for watching.